Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to activate an evolution card in Clash Royale. And this is very simple. First of all, we go to cards, and right now you need to know that you need to swipe a card in one of the two decks right here to get an evolution in a game. Now let's see. If I click here on info and we go to evolution, you can see here the evolution that you will get after you spawned 2 times the archer in a game. So the third time that you spawn archers, you will get this evolution. But if we go to info, and we click this one away, and we go to collection and click here on these cards, and we go down, you see here 2 of 6, and this is a wild shard. If you now click here on use, you can see here all the evolution cards, and you need to click on, let's see, one evolution. So let's say we want to click here. You need 6 evolution shards to get an evolution to a hero or to a person here in Clash Royale. So once you give 6 shards to one card, you will receive the evolution. And if you go back and go to decks and you put your card just right in one of these 2 slots, you will get the evolution after you spawn it 2 times. So this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.